Okay, so if this is your first time opening up 3ds Max, it should look something like this. There's some basic instructions on this welcome screen. There's some useful 1-minute startup movies here, but if you want to stop seeing this welcome screen at startup, you can just untick this box and close it. If you do ever want to get that back for whatever reason, you can go to help and welcome screen. If you installed Corona and V-Ray, you're going to see these two toolbars here. And these toolbars basically provide shortcuts to commonly used buttons. So you can always right click on any of these dotted areas at the end of the toolbar to find out which toolbar it is. So this one's V-Ray. And if we click over here, we'll see that this one is Corona. And we can always just move them around. So I'm going to put these up the top here. And now I want to talk about freeing up some space in our UI. Your Macs might start with the modifier panel as just 1 column wide. I'm going to pull that out so it's 2. I find that really useful when we are modifying things. So I'm just going to show you that so we can see everything that's in here. If it's only 1 column wide, then there's a lot of scrolling we need to do to find stuff. So I like to have that 2 column wide. So Max is quite a big program and there's so much stuff you can do in here, and a lot of the stuff we're not going to need at the moment. So for example, this track bar, this is for animation and we won't be doing any of that for a little while. So we can go to customize, show UI, and let's hide the track bar. So now we've already got some more room. There's also a couple of buttons up here that I hit by mistake. This Autodesk Gallery I never visit, so we can delete that button. The render to cloud, I'm going to delete that as I don't use the Autodesk Cloud. And I also don't really use this graphite toolbar enough to warrant it actually taking up this amount of room. So we can always just pull that off and click this X to get rid of that. And honestly, I don't really use this viewport tab as much as it warrants the space it's used. So I'm going to close that. And now you can see that compared to our original Macs, we have quite a lot of room.